Buenas noches, profesora. Voy a pasarle a leerle mi diálogo. En este caso lo haré solo. Bueno, comencemos. Hello, Sebastian. How are you today? Hi, Dairon. I am great. Thank you. How are you? I am very well. Thanks. Can I ask you some question about your free time activities? Of course. What do you like doing in your free time? I love playing soccer. I enjoy listening to music. They help me relax and have fun. I also like watching movies with my family. That sounds great. That activities don't you like doing? I dislike cooking because I am not very good at it, and I hate doing puzzles because they are boring for me. When do you like playing soccer? I like playing soccer on Saturday afternoons. Then I usually listen to music in the evening. Where do you like playing soccer? I like. Where do you like playing soccer? I like playing soccer at the neighborhood sports field with my friends. Nice. You for thank you for your answers. You're welcome. No, it's my turn. Mhm. What do you like doing in your free time, Dairon? I love playing video games and I enjoy going to the gym. I also like reading books because I learn new things. Interesting. What activities don't you like doing? I dislike dancing because I'm shy and I hate fishing because in think it is boring. When do you like going to the gym? I like going to the gym from Monday to Friday in the evening. Then I usually play video games before I go to bed. Mm, where do you like going to the gym? I like I like going to the gym near my house and I like playing video games at home. That's awesome. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome. I was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. Thank you.